Hello there, this is a tutorial for the ChatTrigger module I made for Subathons for streamers. The links for everything will be in the description for everything you need to download. When you are watching this, I assume you already have a decent understanding of OBS and you have the working code editor like Visual Studio Code or something like that. The first thing you want to do once you have ChatTrigger at least 2.0 installed, what you want to do is cT import Subathon. Doing that command will get you the ChatTrigger module you'll need. Now you need to make a shortcut for your .minecraft folder in a place where it's very accessible. If you don't know how to make a shortcut, you can just Google whatever for just how to make a shortcut in whatever version of Windows you're running. When you've done that, you can go ahead to streamlabs.com and go find stream labels. The link exactly for it will also be in the description. And you want to download. Now you want to go to your .minecraft folder, then config, and then chat triggers. And here I want you to make a new folder called stream labels. I already have made it. And then you just add that. Now once you've done that, you can go to change output directory, and you want to navigate to the stream labels folder you made inside of the chat triggers folder. Once that's all set up correctly, you need to type subathon in chat. And this will get you to this menu. You can here enable and disable the subathon counter. This will take it both off your screen and pause it, so you can still do stuff off stream without it counting towards the subathon. After that, you can go to start the subathon. If you press that button, you will reset the subathon. Uh, First of all, you have to do that once you install it because it will use my settings and you don't really want that. You can use this button, we'll go to here, you can just move it to wherever you want. Once you've done that, you can go in your Visual Studio Code to the ChatTrigger module. You'll see quite a lot of stuff here. I'm not going to go through everything, but if I assume that you don't only want your subathon to be for worm killing. So if you want it for something else, you can need to go grab the message, and right here you can put it in. This will trigger your worms killed count +1. Like if you're doing dungeon runs, so you can get a message that pops up every time you completed it, and then you can just put it in here and we'll start counting to that. You don't necessarily need to change any of these words because none of these will actually show up. If you want to change the message that is pasted onto your screen, like if you want to do dungeon runs, you can go in here and like dungeon runs or whatever. So back to worms. After that, what you can do is go down here, and this is where you can basically tweak the numbers a little. So right now, what this bit does is for every follower you get, this like the counter for how many runs or in this case worms I need to kill will go up by 8. You can change the number to whatever you want. Same with all of these, and over here it is dividing by 10. So for what this means is that for every 10 bits, your count will go up by 1. And you can change it how to whatever you need it to. What this number 50 means is that when you press start subathon, your counter will start at 0 out of 50. Just giving the viewer some free stuff, just in case you're like a smaller streamer, you don't get that many subs or followers. This would be very nice. You can also increase that to whatever you like. And if you think, hey, this counter over here, it's a little small one, like a bigger version on the screen, and this is what you can do. You want to make a text, texting in your OBS. And you want to read it from a file. And the file you want to select is inside of here, log data info.txt. This will put the counter onto your stream, displaying however you want in whatever font you want. If you're a little more experienced with JavaScript, you can quite easily make your own stuff. And the reason we're not using the APIs is it's very complicated for every single person to set it up manually. It's just too much of a hassle. So all you need to do right now is just have the Stream Labels app uh, just launched, just running in the background, else the counter won't update automatically. Besides that, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed. If you got any questions, you can either DM me on Discord. Link, My link to my Discord server will be in the description. Also, you can ask the people in the ChatTrigger Discord for help if you need help with JavaScript and making your own stuff. And besides that, that was it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.